Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to unstake Solana on Trust Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch a Trust Wallet mobile application and then you need to tap on Solana. Now, if you are not able to find Solana in this list, then you need to scroll down and then tap on Manage Crypto. After that, you need to tap on this search bar in the top, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for Solana. Now once you have found Solana, you simply need to tap on it in order to get a bunch of different options associated with it. Now over here you are going to see this start earning banner. So you need to tap on start earning and then you will be redirected on the staking page of Solana in your Trust wallet. Now over here, if you already have staken your Solana coin in your Trust wallet, then you are also going to see the unstake option over here. So you need to tap on the unstake option, and after that you need to scroll down and then you need to just tap on the confirm unstake in the bottom in order to confirm your unstaking. So this way you will be able to easily unstake your Solana on Trust wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.